Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we are driving in Cluj-Napoca. This is VMax Karting and this is my first session here. Naturally, I forgot to use the seatbelt, so yeah, fixing it really quick. Yeah, it's really funny, we started first but we'll be the last ones out of the pits. Yeah, so we're checking if there's anyone behind us, no one there, and we can actually start. Before coming here, I checked out the track, looked at the layout, where to accelerate, where to brake, or where I just have to lift the gas pedal. So I'm quite confident in my abilities and I have enough skills to feel secure here. Using boost right away because I'm a heavy guy, and that means that every climb and every turn slows me down pretty much a lot. But that's okay. As you can see, I'm pretty fast and basically everyone here is a beginner, so there is not much to boast about. But on the other hand, I'm not a professional either, so I'm not far ahead of them. Although, if you look at this race, I'm quite far ahead. Yeah, so I'll show you the results of this race at the end of this video. Now, just driving and having fun. So yeah, this turn is pretty tricky, at least at first. Over time I got used to it and now I take it pretty quickly, but I mean, I'm probably good at turns, but I can't quite manage my speeds when making sharp turns, right? Which you can see by how much I'm skidding, right? Nevertheless, my results are quite good. By the end of this race, I took the first place. I mean, it's not a secret, right? It's obvious that I'm overtaking everyone. But for now, my main goal here is to learn the track, understand how I feel about it, and get the feeling for the kart, right? After all, this is my first time driving in electric kart, and I've only driven gas karts, outdoor only, right? So I really like it here, especially the acceleration. It feels uniquely pleasant. Yeah, maybe if you have a electric car like a Tesla or I don't know, some Volkswagen, you understand me, right? So I really like it here, and yep, using a lot of boosts in these turns and before the bridge. Actually, because once again, I'm quite a heavy guy and I really need to maintain high speeds. Fortunately, there are not too many people, only seven drivers, including me, so there's a room for overtakes. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Enjoy the recording. However, I forgot to mention that after each race, the results are recorded in a profile. There is a leaderboard where you can see the fastest time on the track, and I'll show you the results at the end of this video. And yep, enjoy watching. And now we're slowing down as the cars automatically reduce our speed. We see the checkered flag and head into the pits. This was very interesting experience. I enjoyed the track, enjoyed the race. I hope you too. So please hit the like button or subscribe if you want to. The results are on your screen, and yep, I see you in the next video.